Did you know that the Gupta Empire, often called the Golden Age of India, saw advancements in science, mathematics, and the arts that still influence us today? But what led to this remarkable period in history? The Gupta Empire, which thrived from around 320 to 550 CE, was established by Maharaja Sri Gupta. This era marked a significant cultural and political resurgence in India after centuries of turmoil. Key events include the reign of Chandragupta sect, who expanded the empire significantly, and the introduction of decimal numeral system by Aryabhata, a renowned mathematician of the time. These advancements laid the foundation for future scientific exploration. The Gupta Empire's decline began due to external invasions and internal strife, illustrating how even the mightiest empires can falter. This transition set the stage for future dynasties and shaped the subcontinent's historical landscape. The legacy of the Gupta Empire continues to resonate today. Its contributions in arts, science, and governance are seen in modern Indian culture and education, reminding us of the importance of innovation and unity.